Hello friends, Chef Arnésto. Today we are going to prepare a fish curry, an Assamese fish curry recipe with sesame seeds, served with khar and rice. Khar is an alkaline preparation and it's made of red lentils and spinach. So here are the ingredients. I'm going to take sea bass as my fish. You first start with roasting the sesame seeds. Roast in a dry pan. About 3 to 4 tablespoons. Add some whole spices. Fry it till it starts smoking a little bit. So here the ingredients prepared. The fish is marinated with salt and pepper and some red paprika powder. Here the roasted ingredients. It's time to prepare the khar. Here we go. Heat some mustard oil in a hot pan. Fry the passaparun, mix spices and some bay leaves. Add the red lentils which we soaked earlier. Add your spinach, about 3 to 4 cups. Mix them well. That's the creepy person. The soda bicarbonate, about a quarter tablespoon of that. Mix it well. Sugar and salt to taste. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add some hot water. Let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, heat up a griddle pan. Put some mustard oil, spread it all very smoothly. Fry the sea bass, skin side down. Shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Just a little bit of oil. Turn them around. Again another couple of minutes on the other side. Time to check your khar preparation. There's the red lentils and the spinach bubbling away. Looking good. Time to release your sesame seeds. Put onions, ginger garlic, some coriander leaves, and about half a cup of water to make it thin. This is how your sesame seed paste is going to look like. Now heat a pan with some mustard oil, about 1 teaspoon, and fry some spices. Add bay leaf, add the sesame seed paste, fry a little bit. Add the green chili. Add some water. Let's boil for a little bit and then add the fish sticks. Let it all bubble away for a while till it becomes about half the size and quantity of the water. There you are. Your khar is ready to serve and garnish. Garnish with some freshly chopped onions, half a teaspoon of mustard oil, green chili, and some coriander leaves. Yes, time to serve your sesame seed fish curry. Garnish again with some coriander leaves. Serve with rice. Here you go. Red lentil, the khar preparation, Assamese style, and Assamese style sesame fish curry with sea bass. There you are. Time to tuck in. Chef Arnésto. Bye bye till next time.